Hello, my dear students. How are you doing today? So, guys, I'm going to record this short video to you just to explain what you have to do this morning. Yeah, I'm going to speak just in English, and of course, or better, not at all just in English. I'm going to explain some parts in Portuguese, especially because I know I have no students here in this group, no students that came from other schools, and they're the first year they're having English classes every day. So I'm going to speak em português agora, não, ok? Então, continuando aí. Pessoal, bem rápido. Vocês vão baixar esse arquivo que ele já está disponível no OneNote e vocês vão preenchê-lo. Como vocês vão fazer isso? No Word, não é para imprimir, ok? So, I don't want you to print it. I don't want you to spend paper, ink or even money. Eu não quero que vocês gastem papel, tinta ou mesmo dinheiro, tá? Não é para imprimir. O que vocês vão fazer? Vocês vão fazer essa atividade totalmente por meio digital. Então, vocês vão digitar, baixar, né, perdão, e aí vocês vão reescrever esse documento e vocês vão mandar para mim por e-mail. Só que tem algumas regras que eu preciso que vocês façam. Todas as respostas eu quero que muda a cor da letra. Então, por exemplo, aqui nós temos opções. O que está acontecendo aqui? Ele travou, não consigo mexer, por quê? Aqui, much better. Pronto. Aqui nós temos opções. Opções não, perdão. Vocês têm o texto, né, e as lacunas para preencher. Todos esses espaços, eles estão com linhas ou simplesmente estão em brancos, que seria para escrever. No lugar de escrever, vocês vão apagar as linhas e vocês vão digitar a sua resposta. Só que como que vocês vão digitar? Usando uma cor diferente. Então, por exemplo, de preferência eu gostaria que vocês usassem azul, tá? Mas vamos lá, blue. Pode ser outra cor, só não pode ser preto. Não pode ser a mesma cor. Full name, então você vai escrever lá, por exemplo, aqui meu nome, né, Victor, tá? Vai digitar o full name de vocês, ok? Digita lá o full name. Feito isso, vocês vão fazer o próximo exercício. This first exercise, I'm going to change into English now, ok? Detalhe, perdão. No caso dos alunos novos. Caso os alunos novos se sintam um pouco perdidos com essa atividade ou não estejam entendendo, podem me chamar lá no Yammer, não tem problema, eu vou responder, eu paro tudo que eu estiver fazendo e respondo vocês. Porque na verdade eu vou estar disponível hoje no Yammer durante o horário da aula de vocês, especificamente só para isso. Mas enfim, vocês podem me perguntar a qualquer momento. Essa atividade é um pouco longa, então eu tenho certeza que não vai dar tempo de fazer na sala de aula, tá? Então já estou ciente disso. E pensando nisso, ela vai ficar para terminar em casa. Então vocês vão terminar em casa, vão mandar para mim no e-mail, e aí segunda-feira eu mando para vocês a correção, tá certo? Ou até mesmo no domingo, se der tempo, eu mando para vocês a correção. Futuramente, students, eu estou querendo fazer alguma aula com vocês ao vivo, tá? Como que eu quero fazer essa aula? Através de dois aplicativos, ou de um ou de outro, na verdade. Ou através do aplicativo Zoom, ou através do aplicativo Google Hangouts. Geralmente esse Hangouts todo mundo já deve ter instalado no celular, porque ele já costuma vir de fábrica, né? A não ser que você desinstala, mas normalmente ele vem de fábrica. E como que vai funcionar? Seria videoconferências, tá certo? Mas a gente ainda vai conversar melhor sobre isso. Então, continuando aqui. Where were we? Okay, so this explanation. Okay, so in this first exercise, you have to read and discover the right word to, or better, the right word to each definition. Yes. So, for example, the first one, the letter A. Tanana is a very large building or buildings containing a lot of stores and restaurants, usually with space outside for parking. Então, normalmente com espaço para fora para estacionar. So, what are we talking about? Of course, we're talking about the shopping mall. So, what are you going to do? You are going to erase the line. Yeah, remember? You are going to erase the line. You are going to change the color of your answer. You can do it using your computer, using your cell phone, or a tablet. Yes, it works perfectly as well. Using your Microsoft Office Word account. Yes. Continues here. So, shopping mall. So let's write. Just a second. Let me pick up blue. Yeah. So shopping mall. Shopping mall. Perfectly nice and easy, or almost like that. So a shopping mall is a very large building or buildings containing a lot of stores and restaurants, usually with space outside for parking. So you are going to replace the lines for words. And remember, there are some spare words that you will not use. So what is spare? Spare. Spare means extra words. Words that are left in, yes? You will not need them, so there's no problem if you left some words, because that's the intention of this exercise. Okay, so next. In this activity number 2, here we have a chart. Yeah, a gente tem uma tabela. And you have to create a schedule for you. Remember, schedule, it's the same than routine or agenda, yeah? So I have to create a schedule for you, your friends, and family. Put the name of the person in each chart, or better, in the chart, under each day and place they go or they visit. So look at the first example. So mother, yes. Let me suppose, I don't know, what's the name of your mother? I don't know, Angela, yeah? Let me just select here, because I'm going to change the color of all the charts. It's going to work better. Yeah, so the color, I want it blue. Yeah, you see? So, where does your mother must go? So, she must go to the drugstore. So, Susan, my mother, an example, goes to the drugstore on Wednesday morning. Yes. So you have here all the days of the week, and also the the period of the day, if it is in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. Just at night, no, because normally, normally most of the people tend to sleep at night. They used to sleep at night. Well, so by doing this exercise, you are going to complete, yes. So for example, on Friday evening, I don't know. Let's suppose that you have a brother, yes, an older brother. So let me put here college. College in American English means university. Okay, do not forget it. So college. What's his name is Josh. What is yours? Brother. Brother. Yeah. Let me change the color, because I changed the upper color, and not here, not the down color as well. Did you understand what you have to do? And now the example. You have to write sentences using words from activity number 2, and you have to fill in, yes, all those spaces. Yeah, you can't, or better, you shouldn't let any space free. You have to fill in all the spaces using family members, friends, or even you. Yes. And if you're writing your name, so for example, Victor, that's my name, on the parentheses, I should write me. Yes, because it's me. Now the number 3. Write the sentences about the schedule from activity number 2, as I told you. So, example. Write sentences for each period, morning, afternoon, and evening. Use the verbs go, visited by, work. Okay, so my mother, Susan, goes to the drugstore on Wednesday mornings. Então, in my situation, for example, I put here Josh and college. So I would say, my brother Josh goes to college on which day of the week I put? Tuesday. So on Tuesday's night or evening, sorry. So my brother, I'm going to erase this, yeah. I'm going to erase this line, and you are going to realize how it is going to be. Oh, Lord. Apaguei demais. Yeah, now it's perfectly. So let me change the color to blue. So let me write. My brother Josh, I don't know, I don't want everything in uppercase. So my brother Josh goes to college on Tuesdays. On Tuesday nights, no nights, evenings. On Tuesday evenings. Yes. So this is Josh routine. So you are going to erase the lines and building sentences, building full sentences with the information you put in activity number 2. Now, activity number 4. Put the words. Oh my gosh, what happened here? Yeah. Put the words below under each question in the table. Then write questions and answer them. Okay, so remember that class when we were talking about the difference between how long and how much. So you have to look at that page to discover what to do here. So for example, 15 minutes, I use it in how long does it take or how much does it take, it cost. Yeah. So for example, a long time, I use it in how long did it take or how much does it cost. Yeah. So a long time, how long does it take? So let me put here, changing the color. Remember, always change the color. A long time. Did you understand? Yes. So now I'm going to make sentences using those words from this box as an answer. Ok? Então, example. How long does it take by car? It takes 15 minutes. Oh, how long does it take to arrive from Brazil to Argentina by car? Oh, it takes a long time. Did you understand what you have to do? So, for example, let me change to blue. Yeah. So, how long does it take to arrive in Argentina by car? Yeah. So my answer, again, always changing the color. It takes a long time to go by car. Did you understand, guys? Next, the exercise number 5. Answer these questions with true information. So the answers of this exercise are very personal. So again, I'm going to change the color into blue. No, I want this kind of blue. Okay. So how long does it take from your house to school? In my situation, so it takes about, oh my gosh, it takes about 3 minutes by car. And this is totally true. Or, let me put a slash here, yeah. It takes about 20 minutes by bicycle. Okay, so by car it takes me about 3 minutes, and by bicycle it takes me 20 minutes or over. So we are going to answer those questions. Now, the next exercise. Circle the correct options. My sister goes to the shopping mall every weekend. In this situation, you can't circle, tá? You can't. So you are going to color. Do you understand? You are going to just change the color. okay? So I can't say my sister go. I say my sister goes. Esse vocês não apagam, tá? Esse vocês apenas mudam a cor da resposta correta. Então, my sister goes to the shopping mall every weekend. E usem sempre a mesma cor. Então, se você está usando verde desde o começo, usa verde. Se você está usando azul, continua com azul. Não evita ficar mudando, tá? Em cada exercício. Tudo bem que eu sei que às vezes pode ser que aconteça, mas evita para ficar de uma maneira um pouco mais organized. So next, number 7. Choose the places. Choose the places you, your family, and your friends go to more often, and describe what you buy or do there. So, for example, cafe. Oh, we have here my sister. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Again. Okay, my sister goes to the toy store to buy video games. Okay, good for her. Now, I'm going to write my own example. Oh Lord, again. Just be careful to do not erase the alternatives, yeah? The alternatives. I'm going to change into blue because I'm using blue, yeah? So, oh my Lord. Now, again. Now I need it to be blue. Blue, yeah. So I go to the cafe. I go to the cafe to buy let me see, what am I going to buy there? To buy a latte macchiato. Yeah. I go to the cafe to buy a latte macchiato or a chai tea latte, yes? So it's just an example. Latte macchiato and Brazilian cheese bread. And Brazilian cheese bread. Okay, so I go to the cafe to buy a latte macchiato and Brazilian cheese bread. Então eu vou buscar um latte macchiato, né, que é um tipo de café com leite, mais leite que café na verdade, e um Brazilian cheese bread, pão de queijo, tá? Brazilian cheese bread. So that's what you are supposed to do. Yes? So you're going to do all those exercises and send to me in my email address, okay? So my email is vitor.nunes at grupoeeducacional.com.br. So you're going to send this information on my email, okay? This is very important to you to do this. You're going to have today, Saturday, and Saturday, because on Sunday I'm going to correct those exercises, and I need them to be on my email box until Saturday night, at least. Yes. Well, students, so thank you for your presence in my class today, and I hope to see you on Monday. Bye bye.